Hi students, welcome to Adhiman online class for 12th mathematics. Now do next topic, duality. Duality. The dual of statement is obtained by replacing r by and by r, 2 by false by 2. That is the duality definition, students. Next, remarks. Number 1. The symbol negation is not changed while finding dual. If finding dual statement, the not statement, that means negation statement is unchanged. Okay. Second one is dual of dual is a statement itself. Dual of dual is statement itself. Okay. Third one, the special statements T, that means tautology, and F, contradiction, are dual of each other. Already we see this. Okay, next fourth one, T is changed to false and vice versa. That means false is changed to true. Okay. Next, principle of duality. Next we see principle of duality. The compound statement S1, if you consider the compound statement S1, contains only negation and V. That means V means what? R. Negation and R statement. And the statement S2 arises from S1 by replacing and by R and R by and negation as it is. Does not change the negation. Okay, then S1 is tautology if and only if S2 is contradiction. If you S1 statement is tautology, then if and only if S2 is a contradiction, which is the principle of duality, students. Okay, next, for example, the dual of P or Q, that is one statement, and then and of R and S are false is, if we change this, whenever R statement, we can replace and statement. Whenever and statement, we can replace R statement. So here first brace P, here R symbol, so we convert to and symbol. So P and Q of R, another statement R S and T. That is the example for a dual statement, students. Students, now see logical equivalence. Logical equivalence. Any two compound statement A and B. Any two compound statements A and B. Okay. Any two compound statements A and B are said to be logically equivalent or simply equivalent if the column corresponding to A and B in the truth table have identical truth value. Identical truth value. Okay. Any two compound statements A and B are said to be logically equivalent or simply equivalent if the column corresponding to A and B in the truth table have identical truth values. The logical equivalence of statements A and B is denoted by A equivalents B or A if and only if B. Okay, that is the symbol for logical equivalence. Okay, now see exercise 12.2, 8th problem. Show that first subdivision negation of P and Q is identical, that means equivalent to negation P or negation Q. That is first subdivision. Second subdivision is what? Negation of P conditional to Q identical, that means equivalent P and negation Q. Solve these two. Okay, now solution. First subdivision, negation of P and Q is equivalent to negation P or negation Q. So how many simple statement in this equation? So 2. That is statement A, which is statement B. Okay. These columns and these columns are identical to each other. Then those are equivalents. Okay. So how many rows we can draw? 4 rows. One row is entry statements. Okay. First we draw the truth table of this. Second we draw truth table of this. Okay. P and Q. First we will this. So 4 rows are drawn. Okay, P and Q. And the next brace from P and Q. Next negation of P and Q. And the next negation Q, and then negation R. Next negation P or negation Q. That is the statement. Okay. First we filled a simple statement: true, true, false, false. Another one: true, false, true, false. And statement rule is what? Both are true. And statement is true, otherwise false. So both are true. And statement is true, otherwise no, both are true. So those are false. And the negation means what? Opposite of P and Q. So here true, false, false, true, false, true, false, true. That's all. Next negation P, opposite of this statement: false, false, true, true. And the next Q opposite, that means false, true, false, true. Okay, next these two are R rule. R statement rule is both are true. R statement is true, otherwise false. So otherwise no, both are true. So first one is both are true, false. Sorry, both are false. R statement is false. So otherwise true. So that's a truth table. Okay, now see, put in bottom row 1, column 1, column 2, column 3, column 4, column 5, column 6, column 7. So this statement is what? Column 4, and then this statement is what? Column 7. So from the table or from the truth table, the column 4 and 7 are identical. So same values, same truth value: false, false, true, 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 true. So therefore these two are equivalents. That is the problem for 8th question, first Roman, students. Okay, students, now see 8th Roman, second question. Negation of P conditional to Q identical, that means equivalent to P and negation Q. So here are two simple statements. We can draw 4 columns, and then one more columns are added. We filled statements. So first P, Q, and then brace P conditional to Q. Second negation of P conditional to Q, and then third is P already filled, and then negation Q, and then P and then negation Q. First we filled a simple statement: true, true, false, false. Another one: true, false, true, false. Okay. Next, conditional statement rule: P is true, Q is false, then conditional statement is false, otherwise true. So the condition is a true, false. Which one is false? Remaining are true. And the next opposite of third column is what? False, true, false, false. And the negation Q is opposite of second column, that is false, true, false, true. Now see, first column and fifth column in understatement, both are true, understatement is true. So both are true, second row only satisfied. Both are true, so true, otherwise false. So therefore we see, and then fourth column and sixth column, from the truth table, the column 4 and 6 are identical. So therefore negation of P conditional to Q equivalent to P and negation Q, which is the problem, friends. So same model worksheet problem, exercise 12.2, 9th question. Prove that Q conditional to P identical, negation P conditional to negation Q. And then the same model 10th question, show that P conditional to Q and Q conditional to P are not equivalents. So that is equivalence, it is not equivalence. Do it ourselves, students. That is the homework problem. Okay, students, thank you.